ClearDay Windows, a fictitious manufacturing company, regularly adds new training opportunities for employees. Anna, an administrator at the company, manages this process. Let's join Anna as she creates an online course, uploads an e-learning module, sets up an in-person session, and enables learners to record external training. Anna views the course's dashboard, where she can create and manage different types of courses. She sees a list of previously added courses and a summary of their enrollments. Anna wants to add an inventory management course to help new warehouse employees get up to speed. She adds an online course to SmarterU LMS. Online courses let Anna create and deliver the training entirely within SmarterU. The course information workscreen gives her numerous options for customizing the course. For example, she can upload a course-specific completion certificate and image, specify prerequisite courses, and control access to the course. She can also set up notifications that automatically remind learners to complete their training. To complete the setup, she can select a post-course evaluation form to collect learner feedback. After customizing the course's settings, she's ready to add content. To do this, she'll use SmarterU's integrated course builder. The course builder lets her add content, activities, and quizzes within SmarterU LMS. She begins by adding chapters to organize the content. She can quickly add content slides with text, images, and embedded media. Anna can enhance accessibility by uploading audio narration or using SmarterU's built-in text-to-speech feature. She also adds PDF and video files to the course. The course builder makes it easy for Anna to include interactions such as flashcards, fill in the blank, labeling, matching, and multiple choice activities. She can even include an activity where learners answer questions to score points in a game show. Anna can measure learners' knowledge by including quizzes in the course. She can tailor each quiz with options such as a time limit, the number of attempts to pass, feedback messages, and the minimum passing grade. Anna can provide a variety of question types by including multiple choice, long answer, and short answer questions that include audio, video, or PDF files. She can even set up question pools to ensure learners receive a comparable but unique set of questions. When she's finished adding the course's content, Anna enrolls herself in the training so that she can review it before making it available to learners. Next, Anna wants to add the project estimation course she created using an external authoring tool. She can upload SCORM, AICC, and XAPI e-learning modules to make them available to learners from SmarterU. She can even upload PowerPoint files that SmarterU will convert to SCORM. Like an online course, Anna can customize settings, add prerequisites, and upload a completion certificate. Finally, Anna adds a course on managing customer relationships. The course is offered in person, so she uses the instructor-led course option in SmarterU. In addition to the available customization settings, Anna adds specific occurrences of the course as sessions. For example, she adds sessions for September 2nd and September 16th. Next, Anna can specify session-specific details such as the date, time, instructor, venue, and capacity. She can also add a webinar link if the session is offered virtually. Anna can set up waiting lists to gauge interest in upcoming training or if a session fills. She can manage waiting lists, track attendance, and assign grades all from within SmarterU LMS. Now that Anna has set up her courses, she can enroll learners, or allow them to control their learning by self-enrolling through the course catalog. ClearDay Windows also gives learners credit for courses they take outside the company. Anna can use SmarterU LMS to set up an external course submission page so learners can self-report training they've completed. SmarterU LMS empowers Anna to create online courses with its course builder, integrate e-learning modules, and organize in-person sessions so she can provide a diverse, accessible, and engaging learning experience. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel and subscribe for more SmarterU content.